Have you ever wondered how a simple gelatin dessert became a global sensation? Today, we explore the history and science behind the beloved mango pudding. Mango pudding is a silky Cantonese dessert that originated in Hong Kong, blending traditional Chinese flavors with British culinary influence to create a tropical treat enjoyed today across China and Singapore. Unlike heavy custards, this dish relies on gelatin powder to achieve a light, refreshing texture similar to panna cotta, setting it apart as a perfect chilled finish for any meal. The secret lies in its unique ingredient profile: pureed ripe mangoes mixed with coconut milk, water, and sugar, creating a vibrant sweetness that defines Southeast Asian desserts. Often served after yum cha feasts, this dessert provides a light alternative to heavier sweets, offering a satisfying crowd-pleaser experience that balances fruit acidity with creamy richness. Despite containing added sugar, modern chefs argue it is healthier than most desserts because the mangoes provide essential vitamins and fiber, making it a nutritious yet indulgent choice. From its humble Hong Kong beginnings to becoming a five-star favorite worldwide, mango pudding stands as a testament to how cultural fusion can create simple yet extraordinary culinary delights. Now that you know the history behind this creamy treat, which ingredient would you swap to make your own version? Let us know in the comments below.